Alright guys, I just got my soil test results back from International AG Labs, and it looks like my soil is pretty bad. But anyways, let me go through some of these recommendations here that they said to do, and also who they told me to contact to make my life much easier.
Alright, so this is the actual soil analysis report. Here are the items that they check for in the soil. This is the desired level in this column here, and this is the column, the actual results of my soil. And if you've noticed here, I'm lacking or very low on a lot of things here, with the exception of this one here is very high, which is iron, and manganese, high. Okay. If you ever wondered why my soil is so red in my videos, now you know why. A lot of rust. So, to put this all in a language we can understand, what they do here is, this is the soil recommendation sheet that they send you. All the stuff in dotted lines here and these pounds, I added in because this is the recommendation per 1,000 square feet. I have a 6,000 square feet garden, so I just times it times 6 to give me all this here. Okay, so soft rock phosphate. Pretty easy to find online. I found it for like $15 a bag. I needed, I think it was 9 bags. What really is the killer is the shipping. Okay. It would have been more than double the price of the soft rock phosphate just for the shipping. Carbonized limestone, I didn't know exactly what it was. There's very limited information online on that. I found something to do with, they put charcoal in the limestone to keep it suspended up into the soil in the root system of the where the root systems would be in the soil, because the limestone has a tendency to sink, from what I understand. I didn't know what geocal was. I didn't know what remin was. I found a little information. It said that it might be volcanic rock dust. Yeah, volcanic rock dust. So, and I didn't understand what Eden was here. So, I contacted International AG Labs. They told me to contact Luke here at fixmysoil.com. He emailed me back, and he told me he was a little busy and for me to call him tomorrow, which I'm going to do. But he told me in the email that he's able to get all these ingredients. And by the way, I did email him the recommendation sheet here so he can see what my soil needed. And he said that he could get all this ingredients, which he has, blend it all in one big batch and have it sent to me. Okay, that was music to my ears, because if you, I mean, I thought, okay, I'm just going to go online and I'm going to order this, I'm going to order that. But when it comes down to it, trying to find the stuff is next to impossible. Like I told you, I didn't know exactly where this carbonized limestone was, geocal, remin, and this Eden. I didn't know. So by him doing this, putting this all together and having it shipped to me is a lifesaver. It's going to save me a ton of money in shipping charges and save me a lot of headaches and all that wonderful stuff. All right, so I would go to, let me go here. There we go. Go to fixmysoil.com. Go here to where it says downloads. Click on that and it'll bring you to this page here, and download this form. And that is this form right here. This form and the form from International AG Labs is the exact same form, just this upper part here, just the information just changes. It's the exact same form, mail it to the same place. Here, what you would do is take your soil sample. They explain how to do it. If you're not sure how to do it, roll your mouse up here in the upper right-hand corner of this video. There should be a link to my video there, or I'll have a link at the end of the video. or a link in the description under the video. Okay? So contact and garden info. Here what you'd want to do, of course, is put your name and address, put your phone and email. Very, very important you put your email and do it legibly if you're going to print this out by hand. I just did it on my computer through the PDF, Adobe, whatever, and I just filled it all out there, saved it, and printed it out. You're going to need your garden size, length and width, and length times width to give you your area. Or if you have a lot of acres or a few acres, you put your acres here. Here you want to put, if you're just a regular gardener, you want to put nutrient dense. That's the type of test you want. Or if you're certified organic, then you'd put it right here. Click that. Or check that, I should say. Now the test you'd want is the ones in red here. The soil analysis with recommendations and the boron test. That's the ones I got. And here they want to know if you've had this test done before. You can click no if you've never had it done before. I just sent them a check. You do whatever you feel comfortable with, a check, money order, or cashier's check, or credit card information here. And email your soil sample and this form and your check, or whatever, however you're going to pay them, to International AG Labs, and this is their address right here. Okay, and within a week, it didn't take that long, they will send you or email you the analysis report with the recommendation sheet. And what I would do with that recommendation sheet is go here to fixmysoil.com and contact, actually I should have shown you, oop, wrong one, sorry guys, right here. Contact Luke at fixmysoil.com, and what he told me was he can get all this ingredients right here, all this, he has it all, mix it in one big batch and have it shipped to me. He said for me to call him tomorrow because he was a little busy right now to discuss pricing and shipping charges. So that alone is going to save me, I know, a ton of money. I know this is not going to be cheap, but it's going to be a whole heck of a lot cheaper than me trying to get each one of these online and from different companies and trying to have it all shipped to me. It's going to be a pain in the butt. So this is going to be a lifesaver for me, and this is something I'm definitely going to do.
Alright guys, that is pretty much it. Like I said earlier, through fixmysoil.com, they can save you a ton of money in shipping charges alone. Okay, just by getting everything here, putting it all in one big batch for you, according to your, garden area size, and all you got to do is broadcast it. It'd be awesome. And that is about it. So check out their website, fixmysoil.com. You can find their, like I said earlier, you can find their form to test your soil. Download that form and mail it to them. And again, if you haven't seen my video on how to do that, it's up here in the corner. And you can do it through International AG Labs or here through fixmysoil.com. It goes to the same company, goes to International AG Labs, and they test your soil. But this fixmysoil.com, they will put everything in one batch for you and send it to you. All right, guys, so thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe, and share, and I greatly appreciate it. Thank you.